Wondering why pilots trust the Cessna 172 engine more than almost any other aircraft engine? Let's break it down easy and simple. The Cessna 172 has been flying since the 1950s. Its engine is known for reliability, smooth operation, and easy maintenance, which is why ground schools love it. Most Cessna 172s use a Lycoming IO 360 engine, producing 160 to 180 horsepower. It's a horizontally opposed, air-cooled engine designed to run smoothly and efficiently. Some newer models even use a diesel engine, which burns Jet A fuel and offers better range and efficiency. The Cessna 172 engine cruises around 115 to 120 knots and burns about 7 to 10 gallons per hour. That balance of power and fuel efficiency makes it ideal for training and cross-country flying. These engines are built to last, with 2,000-hour overhaul intervals and simple maintenance. That's a big reason the Cessna 172 is one of the safest and most trusted airplanes ever built. If this breakdown of the Cessna 172 engine helped you, like and subscribe for more aviation content. Visit our website and sign up today to keep learning with Flight Nerd Air Force.